Hi, all of you. This is Shad from Australia. I would like to provide some great feedbacks about the wonderful CISSP trainer Manoj Sharma. Being in the cybersecurity world, I was always fascinated about the CISSP training, and I was looking to find some extremely talented and the knowledgeable trainer. Unfortunately, I was able to find Manoj last year in the month of October while hearing or going through all his wonderful reviews provided by his students. And I came to know that he maintains a very high standard in providing the CISSP training. I discussed with him one to one and tried to see the right expectations, what type of the way he's going to provide me with the training, the course materials, and I came to know that he is truly professional in his approach of providing trainings. And I enrolled himself with his training for 3 months. And within these 3 months, he has taken me to the next level of the cybersecurity world, where I feel more comfortable and completely become thorough in my cybersecurity field, I should say, in every domains that he taught, starting from the confidentiality, integrity, and availability to the storage functionality of the cybersecurity. Also, I would like to mention that the way he has accomplished his way of teaching with the more emphasis on the people, process, and technology. So he has covered the people, everything in detail in terms of how you can become a wonderful cybersecurity leader by knowing all the processes, whether it is ITSM or PCI DSS regulatory compliance, and finally the technology, where he covered all the tools that are required to become a cyber warrior in the respective field. And after getting his training, I feel more confident, and I would certainly recommend all of you to go ahead and enroll into his training without any second thoughts. Being in Australia, I always feel that his immense capabilities and the way he has explained CISSP has given me enough confidence to prepare for the CISSP training, and I firmly believe that I would be able to get into this cybersecurity world in a more confident way. I'm able to manage the expectations where I work in my industry, managing the cybersecurity practices and any security related complexities and the policies and whatever you say in the cybersecurity. Uh, that is, I always gather all the knowledge from him, and I personally would like to say thank you to Manoj for wonderful trainings he has provided and the sort of the confidence he has given me to become a great cybersecurity warrior in my own field. And please take my words, go ahead and have a training from him. He has wonderful packages right now, starting from the CISSP training to the uh, live testing methodologies, and he has developed a new form of top for providing the test engines for your CISSP, practicing over the complex questions, and especially he tries to build a one-to-one relationship with his students, and that relationship is for the entire life. Anytime I feel that if I need any sort of advice or some sort of help and some any issues that I face in my organization, I always feel so easy and delightful to discuss, and the way he manages my expectations is extremely fantastic, I should say. And thanks a lot, Manoj, for all your help in shaping my cybersecurity world. And whatever I am doing well in this cybersecurity, I should say, the trainings, I should say, my works, anything, that is all because of your help and continuous support. Thank you very much, Manoj, for the wonderful training that you have provided in this CISSP space for me.